If you have ever looked at a crypto chart and felt completely lost, you are not alone. Most beginners see a screen full of red and green candles, zigzag lines, and numbers and have no idea what any of it means. The good news is that you do not need to become a professional trader to understand the basics. In this video, episode 3 of our Crypto for Beginners series, I am going to walk you through exactly what a crypto chart is showing you, what the most important elements mean, and the 3 key things every beginner should look at before making any decision. This is the minimum chart knowledge every crypto beginner needs, nothing more, nothing less. A crypto chart is simply a visual record of price over time. The horizontal axis, the x-axis, shows time. The vertical axis, the y-axis, shows price. Every point on the chart represents what the market agreed the asset was worth at that moment. The most common chart type you will see is the candlestick chart. Each candle represents a specific time period. It could be 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week depending on your settings. The daily chart, where each candle represents 1 full day, is the most useful for beginners because it filters out the short-term noise of minute-to-minute price movements. When you first open a crypto chart on TradingView, CoinGecko, or Binance, switch to the daily view. This gives you the clearest picture of what the asset is actually doing. Each candlestick tells you 4 pieces of information about that time period. The opening price, where the price started at the beginning of the period. The closing price, where the price ended at the close of the period. The high, the highest price reached during the period. The low, the lowest price reached during the period. A green candle, sometimes white on some platforms, means the closing price was higher than the opening price. The price went up during that period. A red candle, sometimes black, means the closing price was lower than the opening price. The price went down during that period. The thick part of the candle is called the body. It shows the distance between the open and close. The thin lines extending above and below the body are called wicks or shadows. They show the high and low for that period. A long wick above a red candle is significant. It means the price attempted to go higher but was rejected and fell back down. A long wick below a green candle means the price attempted to fall but buyers stepped in and pushed it back up. 2 of the most important concepts in any chart are support and resistance. Support is a price level where the asset has repeatedly stopped falling and bounced back up. Think of it as a floor. When the price approaches this level, buyers tend to step in because they see it as a good value. Resistance is the opposite, a price level where the asset has repeatedly struggled to break above. Think of it as a ceiling. When the price approaches this level, sellers tend to step in and push the price back down. You identify support and resistance by looking for price levels where the chart has bounced multiple times. If Bitcoin has fallen to $80,000 3 times and bounced back up each time, $80,000 is a support level. If it has approached $100,000 4 times but never broken through, $100,000 is a resistance level. These levels matter because large traders and institutions pay attention to them. When a price breaks through a resistance level and holds above it, that resistance often becomes the new support. Below most crypto charts you will see a bar chart called the volume indicator. Volume shows how many units of the asset were bought and sold during each period. Volume is one of the most important signals a beginner can learn to read. High volume on a green candle means a lot of buyers were active, the price move upward was genuine and supported by real demand. High volume on a red candle means a lot of sellers were active, the price move downward was genuine and driven by real selling pressure. Low volume on any candle, green or red, means the price move was weak and not well supported. Be cautious of big price moves on low volume. They are often reversed quickly. A price breakout above resistance on high volume is considered much more significant than a breakout on low volume. Volume gives you context for whether a price move is meaningful or just noise. When a beginner looks at a crypto chart before making any decision, there are 3 things worth checking. First, the trend. Is the price making higher highs and higher lows over time? That is an uptrend. Is it making lower highs and lower lows? That is a downtrend. Or is it moving sideways with no clear direction? Knowing the trend tells you whether the general momentum is with you or against you. Second, where is the price relative to support and resistance? If the price is sitting right at a strong resistance level that has held 4 times before, buying right there carries significant risk. If it has just bounced off a strong support level, the risk profile is different. Third, what does the volume say about the recent moves? A breakout above resistance on strong volume is very different from the same breakout on thin volume. These 3 checks take less than 2 minutes and give you far more information than any social media post about a coin. You do not need to pay for charting tools. 3 completely free platforms give you everything a beginner needs. TradingView at TradingView.com is the most popular charting platform in the world. It is free to use, has every major crypto and stock market pair, and allows you to draw support and resistance lines, switch between time frames, and set price alerts. CoinGecko at CoinGecko.com provides basic price charts alongside market data including market cap, trading volume, and historical price history for thousands of cryptocurrencies. It is the best place for a quick overview before going deeper on TradingView. Binance, if you use Binance as your exchange, has built-in charting tools directly on the trading interface. The charts are clean and functional for basic analysis. For beginners, start with CoinGecko for a quick overview, then use TradingView for any deeper chart analysis. Every chart can be viewed across different time frames. A 1-minute chart shows price movement every minute. A 1-hour chart shows movement every hour. A 1-day chart shows 1 candle per day. A 1-week chart shows 1 candle per week. The time frame you choose dramatically changes what the chart looks like and what information you get from it. A coin that looks like it is crashing on a 1-hour chart might look perfectly healthy on a weekly chart. It is simply going through a normal pullback within a larger uptrend. For beginners, the most useful time frames are the daily chart for overall trend direction, and the weekly chart for the big picture view. Avoid making decisions based on 1-minute or 5-minute charts. Short time frames are full of noise that has no meaningful signal for long-term investors. Professional traders use short time frames for very specific short-term strategies that require significant experience to execute correctly. There are several things beginners commonly do with charts that lead to poor decisions. Do not buy because a chart looks like it has gone up a lot and assume it will keep going up. Past price action never guarantees future performance. The chart does not know the future. Do not sell and panic because you see a red candle. Almost every asset including Bitcoin has had many 20%, 30%, even 50% corrections within larger bull markets. A single red day or red week means very little on its own. Do not use short time frames to make long-term decisions. A 1-minute chart of any major asset looks chaotic and alarming even during healthy market conditions. Do not confuse a chart pattern with certainty. Chart patterns, like head and shoulders, triangles, or flags, are probabilistic, not predictive. They indicate what has happened before in similar circumstances, not what will definitely happen next. Charts are one tool for understanding context. They are not a crystal ball. Here is the simple framework a beginner can use before making any crypto decision. Step 1, open TradingView and look at the daily chart for the asset. Step 2, identify the trend. Is the price generally moving up, down, or sideways over the last 3 to 6 months? Step 3, identify the nearest support level below the current price and the nearest resistance level above it. Where does the current price sit relative to these? Step 4, check volume. Was the most recent significant price move supported by high volume or was it a low volume move? Step 5, zoom out to the weekly chart and ask the same questions. Does the overall picture look the same? This framework takes less than 5 minutes and it forces you to think about context rather than reacting emotionally to a single candle. You do not need to be a technical analysis expert. You just need enough context to avoid making obvious mistakes. Here is what to remember from this video. A crypto chart is simply price over time, nothing mysterious. Green candles mean price went up during that period. Red candles mean price went down. Wicks show the extremes the price reached. Support is a price floor where buyers have stepped in repeatedly. Resistance is a price ceiling where sellers have stepped in repeatedly. Volume tells you whether a price move is genuine or weak. The daily and weekly timeframes are the most useful for beginners. Ignore the noise of short timeframes. The 3 things to check before any decision: trend direction, price relative to support and resistance, and volume context. In our next episode of Crypto for Beginners, we cover the golden rule that every crypto holder must know: not your keys, not your coins. This is the most important security concept in cryptocurrency, and it could be the difference between keeping your crypto and losing it entirely. Subscribe to Grow Your Wealth and follow the full beginner series every weekend.